What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have a big update for you guys on the trades that I'm in and what I'm doing right now. So strap in your seatbelts and let's step right into it. Okay, so I'm here on the futures chart, my friends, and we were talking about this for a while, that eventually this market will see some kind of pullback. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let me clear these up. So when we met on Sunday, we were talking about the potential to see a pullback, right? So we finally got that pullback here. And what I did here, guys, is I took a trade to the long side, and you might be surprised, right, on why I did that, but I'm going to walk you through right now. So essentially what happened here, guys, is we have a dragon pattern setup, all right? And I really wanted to take this setup because it had all the criteria that I needed for the setup. So let me walk you through the dragon setup right now, okay? So I'm going to take you through that. All right. So I'm here on the 4-hour chart. So this is the chart that I like to use for my long-term swing plays right here. And what you could see here, guys, this was the January 31st lows, and then which we ripped higher, and we had a little bit of a pullback right here. And if you can see, there's some wicks here, here, and here. Okay. So I noticed right off the bat, there was a little bit of support in this area. Okay. So what I did right here, guys, is I did our dragon setup. So I'm going to draw for you right now. So we went from this low to high, which was a shallow pullback, and then finally the bigger picture, low to high, and that's the 618 that we took right there. Okay, so I'm currently up over $1,400. I'm up about $1,500 on this trade, and I got the trade to break even. Okay, so I went long right on the 618, and I am break even right now. So let me just walk you through that in the Discord. So you can see right here, I had this drawn up before we got filled at 11:30 Pacific today, and then we ended up getting filled 20 minutes after that, and not going to waste my time giving back my profit. I want to be secured and I want to be safe. So I put my stop loss to break even. Whatever happens from here, guys, I'm considering it a win in my bucket. Okay, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right. So at the same time where we opened that trade, I also found the exact same setup on Microsoft. Okay, so I went long on calls with Microsoft. So you can see right here. So I went long on the March 1st 407.5 calls at 660, and let me just tell you what they are right now. So they are at 686. Okay, so about a little pop, nothing too huge. I'm up $55 on the option plays, but that's a bigger picture play that I'm looking for. Okay, so I am loaded up long on ES, and I'm also loaded up on Microsoft. These are all the dragon patterns that I've been calling out in Discord. So this is a pattern that I really want to dedicate a lot of my capital to, because I really believe in this pattern. Okay, and let me just do a quick refresher for you guys. So what this pattern is, guys, is it must have a pullback. So if I come from low to high here, we must have some type of pullback. How deep that pullback is, I don't care. I want to see a pullback, and I want to see a new high, and then I want to see the 618. And what I really liked about this setup is that little support that I brought up. If you look on the 4-hour chart on Feb 5th, we had this long wick. So I'm saying, okay, that long wick is going to have the same potential buyers again, and we got that today. All right, so this was an A+, everything lined up, support, resistance, whatever you want to call it. We had the fibs, we had the dragon, and I just took the trade with confidence, and I moved my stop loss to break even. So I'm in at one contract right now. All right, give me a 3 if that makes sense. Let's do some shout outs real quick. Who do we have in here? Bill, Dr. D, what's going on? Johnny Golf, what's going on? Trading Wars Army, G-Man, RC, Princeton, Terrence, Heather, Bill. Good to see you guys. All right. Okay. So intraday, I'm going to hop into the intraday chart on SPY. So intraday today, guys, early in the morning, I tried to short right here. Okay, so here's my Fibonacci from my high to a low. I went short on the 618 and I got poked out. So eventually the move did work, right? I got the sell-off that I wanted, but intraday, it feels like it's just been hunting my stop loss. I'm gonna be honest with you. It feels like my stop loss has been getting hunted and poked, because as soon as it pokes my stop loss, it rolled over. And that's one of the main benefits that I love about trading on the higher time frame. It's very difficult for them to attack you on a higher time frame, because there's a lot of orders on higher time frames, okay, versus scalping on a 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute chart. Sometimes you feel like you can be manipulated. Hit me with the truth, that makes sense. So I'm heavy size on the bigger time frames, because I feel like it's less manipulation. And as long as I get the stop loss to break even, I'm good to go. Okay, so let's talk about some of the projections now with this. Okay, so let's do projections here. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to put the full. All right, so I went long here, guys, at 49, 42, 25. So the projections will work like this. So what I would love to see would be for us to get back up to the 618 extension. Okay, so if we can get back up there, that'll be a huge rip. That'll be a huge rip in the market, but it's possible that we go there, but we kind of slowly go there. We go sideways and then we come up. That's okay too. Worst case scenario, guys, is we just roll over like this. And if we roll over like this, I will not lose any money because I'm at break even. Okay, so those are the three things that can happen. So the hardest part is taking the trade with the risk up front. Once you get your stop loss to break even, you did your part. Okay, so hopefully there's no stock manipulation on this higher time frame here, and then we're good to go. All right, and let's look at Microsoft as well. Let's just zoom out here. So this is the 4 hour. Okay, if you look to the left, guys, there's nothing. Okay, there's no resistance above. So that's a really nice play, because if I do catch this dip here and we rip into new highs, there's no potential stop, right? This can go on forever. Here's the weekly chart for Microsoft. So really like this one as well. And I got about 2 weeks out for the calls. Rich, do you think there will be another entry on the retest? Could be, yeah, definitely. If it retests the 618, I will get stopped out at break even. And if it retests and like, it's possible that it could do this. It could come here and then it could go. If it does that, I'll be stopped out at break even, and I probably won't re-enter the trade. But it could happen, definitely could happen. But what I really like with this setup is that hammer. Okay, so that hammer bar right there is taking me. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just look at SPY in general right now. Okay, so this right here, guys, we came to all-time highs. So here was the previous all-time high, and this right here, guys, this is that, that island doji, whatever you want to call it, that, last man standing candle. It just gapped down and it's undecided. We could see a wick on top and we can see a wick on the bottom. Okay, so right now it's anybody's game. So I just wanted to give you guys that quick update on what I'm doing here, and I'm going to break even. Let me know what you think about the trade. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. You think we're gonna go up, or you think we're gonna go down? Personally, for me, at this point, as long as I did my job as a trader, which is taking a good trade and put my stop loss to break even, that's all I can ask for in myself, because I don't know if market's gonna go up or down. But I'm taking trades that are gonna give me good risk to reward. So if this trade turns around and hits, guys, this is gonna pay me close to 10 grand. Okay, so that's the type of trades that I want to be taking, because I need it. If I get one or two of these to hit, all of a sudden I can double my account. Okay. All right, guys, as always, check me out, tradingwars.com. So everything that I just showed you there, guys, is a part of this bundle package. So the stocks plays with the Microsoft, as well as the Dragon plays that we took on futures. If you guys are interested on that, I'm doing a special deal right now. So my bundle comes with all 4 of my books, and it comes with lifetime to the Fibonacci Society, which is this. All of those swing plays, okay, lifetime. And it also comes with 4 months in the day trading room if you want to day trade. And I'm going to go ahead, guys, and normally right now, so the price is normally $7.99. It also comes with one-on-one with me and my indicators and my seminars. Everything that I've ever done, all right? It's normally $7.99. If you want this same deal right here with the 4 months, I could do $3.99. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I'll give you a special code. Or if you purchase on the website, instead of 4 months, it'll be 1 year, all right? So that's it, guys. Quick update here. Let's see how it goes. And I'm going to do a special live stream on Friday for Trading Wars Army members, Dr. D, Bill. Anyone with a green in their name will have, I'm going to send a Zoom link, okay? I'm going to probably send it tomorrow or Thursday. So look out in the YouTube. I'm going to send a Zoom link, and we're going to live trade together on Friday, okay? So look out for that Zoom link, all right? I'll be sending you guys that, and we're going to do that. That's it, guys. Thanks so much. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And what else? That's it. Okay, so that's it. So the giveaways are coming up on the Twitter and then on the YouTube. We're going to try to do one by the end of this week. All right. Thanks so much.